Hey, welcome back to another how-to video. This week, in celebration of my acceptance to the Twitch affiliate program, we are going to be looking at how to make your own Twitch emotes. So, real quick before we do that, if you did not see Battlefield video that went up earlier this week or last week or whenever that happened to go up, we now have our own sub emotes you can see on screen there, and then there are two shirts. So there'll be a link to the merch store in the description if you want to get one of those, and then also my Twitch. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this. So once you've been accepted into the affiliate program, you're going to have three different emotes that you can use right off the start. There's the $4.99 a month one, the $9.99 a month one, and then the $24.99 a month one, I believe. For each one of your emotes, you're going to need three different files. You're going to need one that's 112 by 112, a 56 by 56, and a 28 by 28. Pretty much exactly what they show here, this same face, three different times, smaller and smaller. You're going to want to create that in Photoshop, or whatever your editing software is. I know you can do that with a lot of them. I used to use GIMP. So before we get started, I'll show you mine. Once you've been accepted to the affiliate program, you'll have this little tab down here. It might show up beforehand, but if not, it will be there once you're accepted. And then there'll be the emotes tab. If that is not there, then you probably have been accepted very recently, like probably in the last hour, because it takes a minute for it to show up, but not very long. So if that's not there, just wait another half hour or so and then refresh it and it should show up. But these are my three emotes. I have the Games Plus Internet logo, Game Over emote, and then the Rainbow Games Plus Internet logo. Those are the different tiers. I have these uploaded already, so mine might look a little bit different than yours. So down here, there'll be the different upload spots for those. So inside Photoshop or whatever your editing software is, I have already pulled up my emote that I've made in all three sizes. But I'm going to show you pretty much the quickest and easiest way about going about this. This is just text that I've typed. This is not an icon that I've pulled from anywhere or anything. This is just my own text that I typed and put a little bit of a graphic over. But the quickest way is to go ahead and immediately make your all three file sizes. So 112 by 112. I leave the resolution and color mode set to 316-bit, but make sure you have it set to transparent, or else this is not going to work on Twitch. After you do that, just do the same thing for the 56 by 56 and then the 28 by 28. So you can start with your 112 by 112, and then after you get done here, use the select tool, grab your entire icon, and then drag it onto the 56 by 56, and then just scale it down 50% so it fits the box. And if that's too difficult, I can show you real quick. I was having a little bit of trouble changing the size there, but yeah, you pretty much get the idea. Make sure you save these as you go and then upload them in order. There'll be three different sizes right here. I believe there's the largest square on this size, and then the 56 by 56, and then the 112 by 1, or the 28 by 28. These immediately will not be available. You'll probably have to wait. I think mine was the same day. It was just a lot later in the day when they were available. So give it a little bit. They're going to have to be approved by Twitch. They cannot be single letters, they cannot be copyright icons, and there was something else. Obviously no drugs or alcohol, because that's not appropriate for Twitch. If you have any suggestions for a how-to, there is a Games Plus Internet Discord. I will figure out how to put that in the description. I know I just need to get the link and then make sure that it does not reset itself, but there is a how-to channel on there, so you can just go in there and then suggest a video if you have any questions or comments on how to set something up, or you can just leave it right on this video here. You can just comment in the YouTube comment section below. Catch me on Twitch on the weekends, because we are affiliate now, so now I'll be streaming a lot more. I'm not worried about my average. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.